dropped about 80 feet. Didn't get tangled up in anything.
I've been dropping to 70, but I think I'm gonna burn it to the bottom.
You probably can get away with it.
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. If we get hung up, I know how to get them loose.
Yeah, I got a couple of them loose yesterday.
Do it, Jayson. Do it, Jayson.
There we go, on the spoon.
On the spoon.
All right.
Give me some, brother.
Hey!
Bow!
Hey! Just set her down there, I'll get it. Go fish. I just saw them show up. I got it.
Good job, buddy.
Thank you.
Ain't that cool?
That is.
He whacked and stacked it, didn't he?
Yes, sir.
Be careful of that hook.
Oh, yeah.
Do it, Jayson. I'm proud of you, buddy.
Me too.
Now, is that your first spoon one?
That is.
Ha ha ha!
Fishing was right.
Ha ha ha! Ha 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 ha!
Yeah.
I love it, man.
There you go. Take a picture.
I love it. You want it long ways? Horizontal, vertical?
Hop over here because the sun's over there. Back on me. There we go.
Say money.
Money.
Got it.
All right, buddy.
Good job,
Lay it
buddy.
down there. Thanks. I know there's more down there.
Oh, yeah. Man, I am so glad to get you stretched out. I guess that's your first spoon one, isn't it?
It is.
It won't be your last. It won't be your last.
No.
All you gotta do is repeat what you did.
Ready to move. I said, let me bring this in. Next thing you know, I thought I had a tree, but there ain't no trees down there. It's on the bottom.
Well, I went all the way to the bottom. But he must have followed it all the way down top. Come on, Lord, let us hook up one.
Oh, I'm on. I'm on.
I hear you, buddy.
Whoa. All right. I'm 17 feet out. You fish.
I am.
I get it. Oh, buddy. You're taking the drag. Oh, yeah.
Is he hooked good?
Yep.
Boat. Come, one motion.
I got him.
Okay. Do it.
Yeah,
Do it, Jayson. Do it, Jayson.
Woo!
Get yourself some slack now.
Got my limit.
Get yourself some slack now, buddy.
Yeah.
Good job, brother. Good job. I am so proud of you,
Your
buddy.
turn.
I am so proud of you. You done give him a bloody nose, didn't you, buddy? You done jerked them lips off. You got your pliers?
Yeah.
Give me some while you're up here.
Hey.
Ha
Foul hooked him, that's why. Oh, I got him in the eye, that's what it was.
You know what? Two of the ones I caught last week were in the eye.
Yeah.
The biggest fish we caught was hooked in the eye.
Yeah, I'll be keeping him. I'm limited out.
Oh yeah, man. That's good, man.
He ain't quite as big as
That's
those.
awesome, brother.
That'll work.
That is awesome.
Yeah. I guess I can keep catching them, just got to turn them back.
That's right. Well, you got two more you can catch.
What is it, 4?
No,
Oh, yeah.
four total.
Yeah.
You keep fishing till we got 4 in the box, no matter who catches them.
Yeah.
You may have the hot rod today. He followed it way up top, didn't he?
17 feet.
Yep. That's amazing, isn't it? How far they'll come up after it.